I loved it. Really a great course. It's really very instructive to do the dissection on the cadaver, and you can see all the danger zone, and it's very interesting and good quality of course, good quality of trainers also. Thank you very much.
And I've seen a lot of courses. I have seen a lot of cadaver courses so far, and I can with 100% assurance tell you that this was an amazing experience. Today, all day live patients. We have spent only at my table, we spent 50 or 60 mLs just by injecting and trying different things, doing foreheads, noses, chins, nasolabial folds, malar area, jaw lines, neck, décolletages, radius with washing. So it was really amazing. But the most important thing out of this is the instructors, they change, and each of them leaves you a little something to remember, a small tip. So come visit this course, you will love it.